today's video we are going to be unboxing this very heavy January TOYL box. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and New Year, however you chose to celebrate it or not. But yeah, today's video I have the January TOYL box. It is so heavy, like really heavy. I'm really intrigued to see what's in here. But yeah, this is the most expensive box that I get. This cost me £35 because I was an old subscriber. I've been with them a little while. They did have a price increase a little while ago now, and this cost me... Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So yeah, today's video I have the January TOYL box, and oh my god, my arm is aching holding this. It's really heavy. I'm really intrigued to get in here and see what is making it so heavy. But yeah, this is the most expensive box that I get per month. If you were to subscribe now, if I could say it, subscribe, it costs £40 per month. I do have a link down below in the information box. I'll put it in the comment box as well. I think it gets your first box half price, but double check that, I could be wrong. I think it does get you something off. I think it's 50%. Don't hold me accountable to that. Make sure to check. But yeah, let's just open her up to see what we're going to be playing with. The reason I actually like to get this box is you get really good branded stuff in here. The brands are absolutely amazing. They do say that this box is for the more mature skin type, which I definitely check those criterias right there. But yeah, get it while you're young. Prepare your skin while you're young. They normally say like 35, 40 plus, but if I'd known about this box, I would have got it years and years ago. But yeah, this is inside. We have the edit card there. It'll have all the information on everything that's in here, so we'll keep that and go through that in a moment. Opening it up, we can't see a thing. Let me just bring everything up and we can have a proper sneaky peek. Oh my god, that's why it's heavy. Yeah, let's get to digging in here straight away. Quickly just going back to the edit card, it just says welcome to your reset box. So yeah, this is the reset edit. Very fitting indeed, with being January, start of a new year. And yeah, this box has a value of £127. It does have on the back a February spoiler alert. That is the product there, that's the spoiler. It is by the brand Temple Spa, and it's a firming neck gel. Oh, I am so interested in that because since losing weight, I've gone all crinkly and wrinkly there, and it's like saggy and stuff. So yeah, any help I can get with that would be amazing. Yeah, the first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand ilapothecary, and it is Beat the Blues Pulse Point. It has a value of £29. Wow. Let's have a look. This is such an unusual and interesting product for a reset, as it's a chemical blend of essential oils known to balance, boost and ease and revitalize. It's perfect January product to open your heart and uplift your mind. Soothing, anti-inflammatory and healing. Roll as needed over pulse points on wrists and neck. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I do prefer a perfume. It's a bit easier, but let's give this a go. So yeah, we open it up. We have a little metal roller ball there. Okay, there's actually a decent amount that comes out. Normally with the roller balls I've tested over the years, you get like a little tiny slither out, but you get actually a decent amount there. Oh, that's nice. That's really pleasant. On the side of it there, it's just got like, it's got tuberose in there, geranium, clary sage, petite grain, ritual, and it's got like reasons why they're in there, what they do for you and so on. Okay, yeah, I'll have to pop that in my bag, and that scent is really nice. I'm really pleasantly surprised by that. Straight away when I saw that it was a pulse point thing, I was put off and I was like, oh god, okay, yeah, okay. But no, it's really good. The second product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Aromatherapy Associates, and it's a deep relax mist. It has a value of £32, and it just says good quality sleep is an essential for health, beauty and a daily reset, but so many of us struggle to get quality sleep in midlife and beyond. This is a natural blend of aromatherapy oils, letting the brand do what it does best. No wonder it's a best seller. Mist over your body, sheets, pillow before climbing into bed. Take a deep breath, inhale the aromas for maximum benefit. Suitable for use on skin, it's pregnancy safe, it's gluten free, and the formula is plastic free. And the packaging is fully recyclable. Oh, that's really nice to know. Yeah, okay, I quite like my pillow mists and stuff, although I do have a lot of them, because for a while there, the beauty boxes, I unboxed a few beauty boxes, and yeah, they were kind of going around in boxes, but I've never had one by this brand, so that's nice. Although this is not a pillow spray, it's a deep relax mist where you can use on your bed and on you. Oh, that screams quality, it feels quality. Oh, we're gonna have a sniff. If we can spray it on me, let's do it. Ooh. Does that have bergamot in it? I can really smell bergamot. That smells absolutely gorgeous. It's a deep, it's quite strong, but not overpowerfully so. It's quite a deep, powerful scent. I don't know how to describe that, but yeah, I quite like that too. Nice. Third product in the box is this. It's actually two products. This is by the brand Crystal Earth, and it's amber, shampoo and conditioner. I'm impressed straight away because we've got a set. So these have a value of £36. Isn't it just fantastic packaging? Yeah, it really is, really eye-catching. Now this brand is 93% natural but created by industry professionals so that the performance isn't compromised. This duo is all about calming, soothing your scalp, with a little bit of amber extract as well. Yeah, this sounds really good, really good. It's designed with instant cooling hydrogel technology. Each sachet contains 2/2 of a jelly face mask to comfortably wrap around the upper and lower contours of your face. Yeah, so there's been a mistake made. When it says here how to use, they put some face mask in there. Obviously this is a shampoo and conditioner. I am so happy. I love trying stuff out on my hair, and I love it when I get a shampoo and a conditioner because I like sets. Let's have a little whiff. If I can smell it, it's all smellies today, isn't it? I can't smell it because I've got that that mist on and the rollerball. It's like I've got smells everywhere. My senses are overload. But yeah, that will go in my hair drawer, and I will certainly have to try that on out. So the fourth product in the box, technically fifth because the third product was two, but yeah, we'll stick with it. This is the fourth product. This is by the brand Skinsense, and it's an energizing face mask. Let's have a look. Created especially for skin suffering with extreme dehydration, this refreshing mask soothes and hydrates the skin, which feels dry and uncomfortable. Dull, lackluster skin is energized and lifted with a healthy glow. Kiwi and bilberry extracts provide the skin with revitalizing vitamins and minerals to defend against future hydration and skin damage. So you just apply it on your skin, leave for 10 minutes and rinse off. Yes, love a face mask. I have tons of face masks I need to get through. I keep saying that and I just don't. It's like self-neglect. I really need to start getting through them. But yeah, that's cool. It has a value of £30. I'm going to leave that sealed. I'm going to leave all of this sealed. But I have heard of that brand before. I think I've had one or two bits from them, but I can't place them at the minute because my memory ain't too good. But yeah, can't wait to give it a go. Guys, so this is our reset box, the January TOYL box. What do you think? Personally, I think this is a great little box. I really do. I am so happy to get this. The thing I'm really happy about is my shampoo and conditioner set. I can't wait to try them out. I really can't. The sleep mist smells beautiful. to me, it doesn't anyway. I know obviously everyone's different. I don't know if a lot of people are going to like that scent because it is kind of strong, but if you get yours, comment below and let me know what your thoughts are on it. And that rollerball, it's, yeah, that is so pleasant, gorgeous smell. And yeah, we got a nice little face mask there to try out. Good quality branded products. Yeah, box seems solid to me. But yeah, comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Again, if you want to subscribe to this box, the link is down below. It will get you a percentage off. I think it's 50%, but make sure to check, I can't promise. That concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.